Intenti is a free app available for Android on the Google Play Store designed to disrupt habitual unlocking. In today's digital age, smartphone addiction has become a common phenomenon, whether we use our devices for work or entertainment. However, there are times when you mindlessly unlock your phone out of habit, when not even required. This habitual behavior can be frustrating and hard to break. But the good news is that a Ukrainian developer, Yaroslav Neznoradko, has got you a solution with his app called Intenti, designed to disrupt habitual unlocking. What is Intenti? Intenti is a free app available for Android on the Google Play Store. Users can also unlock additional features such as scheduled nudges, a mandatory entry contest and rewards for entries not met in the first place, as well as rewards for early instruction. Recruitment to work for Jody in the Google Play session is available for agents looking for something distressful to do and provides unusual compensation for their time. Initially launched in 2020, the app asked users why they unlocked their phones. The project was put on hold until 2023, when Neznoradko released a redesigned version of Intenti featuring customizable nudges. However, Neznoradko's inspiration for Intenti came from his struggles with phone addiction. I found myself checking my phone too much. I tried screen time limits, focus modes, and app blockers, but they were rather frustrating than helpful. And I got an idea. What if I had to state and evaluate my intention before using the phone, he recalled. How Intenti work? Every time any user unlocks their phone, Intenti prompts them to provide a reason for unlocking the phone or complete a simple action such as deep breathing or stretching. Users can also select from various categories including intention, necessity, grounding, posture, and minimalism, each with a set of prompts. Furthermore, users can also create custom categories and prompts to suit their needs. However, the app also tracks unlock history and answers logs, providing valuable insights into phone usage habits.